United Kingdom along Prime Minister anghoi laki India adet aso binong abang phusi Prime Minister anghoi ingni damlo alang limen laki Rishi Sunak Britain adet along Prime Minister Boris Johnson damtet pen aphia bangki India adet asor Rishi Sunak pensi ingni ponpo Britain adet along non het jonga kimi Prime Minister anghoi kangni ponthua bang phamen ke pangdak ponamen laki Rishi Sunak halabang so adet along Prime Minister anghoi ki sarang bong pen arta ki jum nae bang phupulote Rishi Sunak hello alangli arta ningkan plikebra hini wetlang Britain Prime Minister barim Boris Johnson Prime Minister anghoi che odet aphi puthot non kangni ponthua bang phu alangli Rishi Sunak hello Rishi Sunak pen non an Britain adet along Prime Minister kangni pon aphai laki bang phokebra sirke aphai pleng ponlo Rishi Sunak alangli abinong ki India long pen kachirapdu
I'd like to pay tribute to Liz Truss for her dedicated public service to the country. She has led with dignity and grace through a time of great change and under exceptionally difficult circumstances, both at home and abroad. I am humbled and honoured to have the support of my parliamentary colleagues and to be elected as leader of the Conservative and Unionist Party. It is the greatest privilege of my life to be able to serve the party I love and give back to the country I owe so much to. The United Kingdom is a great country, but there is no doubt we face a profound economic challenge. We now need stability and unity, and I will make it my utmost priority to bring our party and our country together.
Bangso penajok Prime Minister Narendra Modi penta Britain Prime Minister Rishi Sunak aphan Twitter along pen Diwali akadom pajir ponlo. Prime Minister Narendra Modi Twitter along pen Rishi aphan kachuning realam the ke palelaki India la pen Britain det hiniang bong kaching thuramu ki claim ke dam ponra peji aphan kachuning ripon. United Kingdom Southampton alongsi alangli mahang thek ponlo. Alangli kahache aningkan laki aru acheklo ni phai krehini pharo kreser kebra trok nerkep aningkan. Alangli sarpi sarbura atum East Africa anapensi London along an wanglo. Oxford University lapen Stanford University along pen kang toiwing ke charliang ding chepali ponlo. MP anghoi aphan surihini rakre phoningkan Richmond a constituency along pensi alangli chepahai ponlo. Kidam tangapor Boris Johnson Prime Minister ki khibom hot alangli Finance Minister apu denglo. International Desk Report Karbin Long Live